Hello guys, review Nubia music. This version 4GB memory and 128GB Intel memory storage, open box and look completion. In completion we have device. On the back side we have double camera and big speaker. On this side power button and volume buttons. On this side slot for SIM cards. Upside 2 port for headphones jack. Downside Type-C port. Okay, turn on device. We have Android 13 on this device, MyOS 13 version. Okay, IPS display, full HD plus resolution 90 Hz 6.6 inch display. Open Geekbench 6 and look results. We have Unisoc processor and PowerVR GPU. Results. GPU results doesn't work, and look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark, okay. And we have camera, we can make photo, videos, portrait, and that's all. Panorama, time lapse, 50 megapixels main camera. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.